Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today let us see how to do a very simple layered ice cream. For the recipe we need around 30 biscuits. I am using Oreo biscuits. If you want you can use this, otherwise you can go for any other biscuit. We are going to use fresh cream for the recipe. We have to beat it. For beating the fresh cream, you need 2 bowls and you have to keep the bowls in the freezer side for at least 15 minutes. Place a small bowl on the ice cubes like this and you have to add 1.5 tablespoons of peanut butter and 250 ml of fresh cream. Peanut butter here is optional. I am using it for the flavor. If you want, you can use it, otherwise you can leave it. Now beat this well until it turns creamy. Add around 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar into this. You have to add it little by little and give a nice beat. Finally, you have to get a nice creamy texture like this. Now take any bowl and layer it with a cling. Take a biscuit and top it with the prepared cream. Now let us arrange the biscuits. Pour the rest of the prepared cream on this. So here we have done with all our layerings. You have to freeze this overnight. This is ready now. We can take it out. I'm going to top this with some chocolate sprinkles. Do give a try. This will taste so good and it will definitely be a winner for special occasions. Hope you like the recipes. We'll join you in another interesting recipe. Do like, share and comment our videos and don't forget to subscribe our channel.